guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. There was another whole portion of this video and I do not know what happened to the footage. It was just gone from my SD card. So in this video I had folded some laundry and I also shared some meal prepping and some a small grocery haul, but that's all gone. So now we are putting away some laundry and cleaning up my bedroom. Today we just have a ton of cleaning motivation. I also share some a dinner recipe. It was like super yummy chicken that I just made super quick, and we're just kind of getting all of the house cleaned up and everything picked up and cleaned because it had been way too long since I had taken care of these things around the house. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get going.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee.
Alright, so the chicken is cooking. All I do is put a little olive oil and a little butter in the bottom of the pan, get it nice and hot, and I sear each side. It was so good, so simple, and just delicious. Carrots are done, potatoes are done. We like them crispy. So good. And my butternut squash is almost done. Whoop, fogged up the lens. I'm definitely made a mess of the kitchen. And this is my completed dinner. The kids are having leftover pasta and meatballs from last night. Austin's home from the military. Alright, dinner is done. It was absolutely delicious. So I already put the food away while the kids were finishing up their dinner because they eat so slow because they're like their mom and they talk too much. So she's coming, she's just getting washed up. So they're gonna go downstairs. They're kind of like gonna play Legos and do their own thing downstairs.
Can you help me take off my necklace?
And here you go. Your face, girl. You got lots of food on it.
Can I see?
Hold on. There you go. Chocolate, cheese, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to get all of these dishes done. The sink is piled high, and I think I'm just gonna power through, do a quick dusting, and vacuum. I need to vacuum anyway, so I might as well dust, vacuum, and then I will mop the floors, and I will be done. And my whole to-do list, I think my whole to-do list will be done. Where is it? Yep, make the bed, laundry, clean the bedroom, dust, vacuum, mop, and clean the kitchen. So, yes, my son. He's impatiently waiting. What are you guys gonna watch? Oh, they're watching Full House. It's my favorite show. All right. No, you can still watch it. It's okay. My favorite show.
It's the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, in my bed, 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. Wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Wouldn't know what to do. Wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
I am exhausted and I am finally done. I'm actually really glad I like powered through and got everything done today. I need to film another video tomorrow. I have to send a proposal for an organizing project I have big things in the works for I'm starting an organizing company. I've done like some side projects here and there, but I got a really big project that I am going to be starting soon. So I'm sending that client over a few proposals tomorrow. So be on the lookout for tons of organizing videos and all of that, because I'm gonna be starting a business doing organizing. So doing people's homes, doing their closets and their refrigerators and their pantries and all their stuff. So not necessarily refrigerators, I guess, but I mean, if they wanted to, I'm down. But this is a major project that I am doing. So once I get the go ahead and the 100% on it, I will let you guys know. But until then, make sure you are subscribed Make sure you are following me over on Instagram because I post tons of content on there as well. So, Macy's walking around on my freshly cleaned floors. Oh, that's what I wanted to say about the floors. So this is all my collection of recycling and trash and reusable bags that need to be brought down to the garage. So I don't typically wash my wood floors. I wrung it out really, really well, and it was just a little bit wet with a little bit of Lysol. Brendan and Austin also got a hoverboard for Christmas, so they've been riding it around the house, but it makes like little marks here and there on the floor, so I just wanted to get all of those up. So I went through and just kind of spot cleaned anything that I saw, any of those little marks I cleaned. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.